what's going on? It's Scuffy Conte. Going to be doing the September 17th Live Item Shop review. Okay. So we have the wind up. Then you have the Renegade Robotics bundle, which has the Renegade Runner, the Rucksack, the Renegade Star, the Mark of the Renegade, and the Renegade Reunion. Oh my gosh, that was a short featured. Then you have the Jones Unchained with the Mystify and the Skeletal Wings. Then you have the Hyper, the Rolly Rider. Then, oh my god, dude. Then you have the No Sweat. Then the Staff Stand. Oh my god, why is everything like this? Okay, then you have the new J Balvin. Then you have the J Balvin, the My Hero Academia, the Patrick Mahomes, the Pipe Punks, the DC, the Turn the Music Up, the Battle Pass, the Fortnite Crew, and the special offers. Alright, YouTube, that is it for the item shop. If you did enjoy, please subscribe, like, and share so other people can see. And I'll see you tomorrow for the September 18th Live Item Shop review. See ya.